going to do the project of the rectifier. And we are going to do basically this schematic. We are going to convert 120 volts AC into 12 volts or 24 volts DC. Pay attention. We are going to convert this signal, an AC signal, into a DC signal. We are going to rectify the signal. The first step is I need 12 volts here, but I have 120. The first step is reduce that voltage to 18 volts AC or 20 volts AC. After that is easy rectified into 24 or 12 volts. With 120 is too much. For that reason, I am going to reduce from 120 into 18. And after that, I am going to rectify into 14 volts, 12 volts. Yeah? I have probably here in the hot and the neutral 18 volts AC. And here in the output, I have 14 volts DC. I lose 4 volts for the dissipation of heat, but I rectified. What is the process? First step, the step down transformer. I have 120 in the input, 18 volts in the output. And I am going to organize 4 diodes in this way. Remember that we have this signal. No? We have positives and negatives. With the diodes, we are going to eliminate this portion, and when I have consecutive signals, I have other here, other here, other here, other here. I eliminate that section with the diode. And after that, with this capacitor and this resistor, I am going to straight the signal. And finally, this one like this. If I install other couple of capacitors and resistors, basically the signal will be completely straight. You understand the process? But the first step is eliminate that section with the diodes. And after that, with the capacitor and the resistor, I have the signal completely straight. The quality of the rectifier is a rectifier that have more capacitors and diodes in order to keep at the end a perfect straight signal. But it's too simple, no? It's basically this group of diodes, the capacitor, the resistor. We are going to do this board. I am going to give the board clean, and I am going to give the diodes, the capacitor, the resistor, and you connect that configuration exactly like this. This positive, what is negative? What is hot, what is neutral?
Hot is white, neutral is blue.
The outputs, or those are the inputs actually. The junct, the capacitor, and then the resistor.
Okay, and here we have a positive and negative, no?
Yes. Red positive, yellow negative. Our supplier ran out of black wire.
Okay, sir.
Can you turn it on? How much?
19.3.
19.3.
19.3 volts DC. That's perfect. You rectified AC 120 into 19 DC. Thank you. You like?
Oh yeah.
That's good, no?
Let's test me out now.
That's neutral. That's neutral. And power. How much?
19.46.
19.4 DC. 120, 19.4 DC. Okay, disconnect. Great.
Awesome.
This is a perfect rectifier, my friend.